Today, let's do the step-by-step setup guide for our embedded voice chat plugin. First, let's get a plugin installed in your Godot project root. Create a folder named Add-ons. Download and extract the plugin files, then drop the embedded voice chat folder right inside. Finally, head to the project settings, find the plugins tab, and make sure embedded voice chat is set to enabled. Now, let's build a basic 3D multiplayer framework. We will start with a main to add as our root. Here we add a multiplayer spawner and a node 3D code level. In the multiplayer spawners inspector, set a spawn path to that level node and add your level scene to the auto spawn list. We will attach a script called getMod. On the server side, this handles spawning the level. On the client side, it connects to the server and configures our stun and turn settings to the voice chat. Inside the level scene, we follow a similar structure. And a node 3D code players in another multiplayer spawner. Set a spawn path to the player's node and add your player scene to the auto spawn list. Attach a multiplayer level script to the root. If we are the server, we will connect to the peer connecting signal to spawn a player to each new client, and peer disconnect to clean them up. Now for the fun part, the player scene. The same inputs like the movement and jumping. We use a multiplayer synchronizer node in player input script. Add a setup to the standard player input script to the same movement via multiplayer synchronizer. If you are new to the Godot's high-level multiplayer, add a link the official documentation in the video description. But for today, let's focus on the voice. Next, search for the embedded voice chat RPC group script and attach it to the no-code RPC group. This node handles the heavy lifting, providing the signals for the connection states or your own custom logic. You can use them signals to handle each cases like random disconnections. To hear other players, attach the embedded voice chat audio 3D script to the audio stream player 3D. Link your RPC group to the group node slot. Set a stream to audio stream generator and turn on autoplay. Offered in the audio dock, let's set up our buses. Create a new bus called record and set it to the mute so you don't hear your own voice loop back. Add a capture effect to both the master and record buses. Here's where you can get creative. Because we are using Godot's native audio bus, you can stack any audio effect on top of the capture effect. Want your players to sound like they are talking to the messy hello? Just add a reverb now. Want them to sound like they are underwater or talking through a radio? Drop in a low pass filter or some distortion. This allows the voice chat to actually feel like it's part of your game's environment rather than just an overlay. Back in the player screen, we need to bridge your game data with a voice system. Inside the player ID setter, assign the ID to the RPC group's only client ID. This tells the plugin exactly which network peer owns this specific voice instance. If the current click on this player, we can start communicating by joining the group. In this example, we would simply call RPC group join group default. Let's connect the client to the voice channel so they can begin sending audio data immediately. Next, we instantiate to the audio stream recorder, set these buses to record, and parent it to the mesh instant 3D. Finally, for high-quality audio, instantiate the audio listener 3D under your camera in cold current. This lets the plugin listen to the master bus for the echo cancellation, so your mic won't pick up the game music and explosions. With that, you are ready to export your dedicated server in client. You now have fully functional 3D specialized voice chat integrating directly into your engine. Thanks for watching. If you have questions about the setup, leave a comment below. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Godot tools from 547 Game Studio. Happy developing!